Hello children, welcome to the online classes of computer science. So in yesterday's assignment, we gave you 3 questions of C++. So here is the solution. So in the very first question, we have asked you to write a program in C++ to print the difference of 11 and 7 using variable. Okay, so here's a solution for that program, children. The first line is your hash include iostream.h. Then the second line is your hash include conio.h. And then we have our void main. Okay, and then the curly braces. Now CLRSCR, which is used to clear the screen. After this, here is the variable declaration line. What this line is known as? This line is known as variable declaration line. Why we need a variable declaration line? Because it could be very easy, like if we would have written 11 minus 7 and we would have got the answer, but in the question we have been asked to use variables, so that is why I have written data type over here int. Why? Because my 11 and 7 both are integer numbers, they do not have any decimal point, so that is why int is the data type. Now first variable a, first variable is your a. Okay, this is your a. So in this equals to 11, which means my a is going to hold a value which is 11. After this, second value is b. B is equals to 7. This is going to hold a value 7. And now c. As of now, the value that I have given to c is 0. Okay, and then in the second line, c is equals to a minus b, because in the question I have been asked to find out the difference of 11 and 7. See, I am not putting 11 and 7 over here directly. Why I am using variable a? Because a holds the value 11, and b because b holds the value c. B holds the value 7. So that is why I am using variable a minus b and not 11 minus 7. You could have done 11 minus 7 also if we would have not asked in the question to use variable. But in the question it clearly says that use variable. So that is why variable I have used over here and not the numbers directly. And once this is done, now what you need to do is you need to print the result. So to print the result, we use this object which is cout, then the cascading brackets, and then difference. Okay, this is the statement that I want to print. And then over here I have used endl. Why? Because I want the result to be printed in the next line. Okay, that is in the another line and not in the same line. So that is why I have used endl. After this, again I have used cout, and then over here I have used a variable c. Why c? Because c only holds the result. What will be the result, children? The value will be 4. The resulted value will be 4. So I am not writing 4 over here. I am writing c, because c only holds the value 4, because a is equals to 11. So 11 minus b, b is equals to 7. So 11 minus 7. So the value in c is 4, and that is printed. Fine. And then get ch, which is used to hold your screen till you enter any key from the keyboard. Okay, this was the first program that we have asked you to do.